Hello guys, my name is Florentino Zuniga with Power Lead System. So if you're having a hard time generating leads for any type of business, check this video out. And if you're interested, don't comment. I will have the link below the video description or above the video description, depending on what platform you're looking at this video from. And Power Lead System can really help you generate leads. And with perpetual leverage, Neo Power Lead System can help you generate a large income with perpetual leverage. So check the link below the video or above the video description and take action today.